Welcome viewers and subscribers. I don't know your boy Rush, and today is a special episode. Special because one, my co-host is here.
Hi
Trudy.
guys.
Welcome.
Welcome back to another episode of RUSHIE'S Kitchen.
Yes, and the next special thing is what we are doing today on the channel.
You want me to tell him?
Yep, tell them, man.
Guys, I'm gonna pinch you and tell you. Today we're doing a jackfruit
Ice cream.
ice cream.
Yeah, man.
I know me love ice cream, but when Rushi told me that he was doing jackfruit ice cream, I was like, nobody not do that.
Nobody at all. No.
Nobody at all not do that. But Mr. Rushi said we're gonna do it in RUSHIE'S Kitchen Paddy channel.
And we just do it and
I'm just
done.
gonna do it and done.
Alright, so guys, jackfruit is a really special and nice fruit. Sweet and everything, and yo, the nutritional contents turn up. And yo, if a boy like me will love ice cream, would I must can make ice cream with any fruit or more, especially jackfruit ice cream, which is a unique type of flavor. Unique in the sense that jackfruit is very strong and kind of overpowering with anything you do with it.
Yes.
So you have to kind of, balance it and keep it on a level. So that's what we are going to do today.
Have you ever
understand?
had jackfruit ice cream before?
Well, unless I me make it. The one will be make.
No, but I'm asking if there's anywhere in the world you've ever been and they had
never had
ice
it
cream on the
before.
menu.
And I'm not saying that there's no jackfruit ice cream. I've never had it from anybody. Alright? So now go out there and say, yo, Rushy say, I'm my first one.
I'm
No.
intrigued.
Yes. So alright guys, so we could get into the meat of the matter as usual. So you want to introduce?
Sure. So the first thing we have is a jackfruit puree. You want to tell them how you came about this puree?
Alright, so the way how we come about that puree now is I get the ripe jackfruit. No green jackfruit, no turn jackfruit.
Ripe.
It's soft and it smells really strong. So that is how you know when the jackfruit is ripe.
That's feel up the people them jackfruit.
No, this is not a Linstead market. I can't do that. But anyway, you will know when the jackfruit ripe, people. You don't know it will be soft and you smell.
And it has that rich yellow color.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And of course the smell, you have a sweetish kind of
really
smell.
Sweet, along with the taste as well. So don't run up on the blood pressure. So, so this is a puree, guys, as I said. And the way how we prepare this puree is that we get the jackfruit itself and the part what we call the peg. Jamaicans, the peg. You don't know, you get your blender and you blend that real fine. And the reason
so the peg for people like me want to know, because I don't eat jackfruit, is what?
The part of the jackfruit or you eat. Because not every part of the jackfruit.
Oh, the yellow part.
Yeah. So obviously you're not gonna eat the skin and the seeds and everything like that.
Okay.
You know? Alright. So and you can see we can show you how the jackfruit really look for those in the back when you know what a jackfruit look like.
See those in the back here?
You're too lying, man. Anyway, people. So yeah, man.
Alright.
So guys,
ice cream.
Yeah, man, we love ice cream. So guys, so this is the salt, right? And we add a pinch of salt to it, just to, as we always say, bring up the flavor. Yep. And this is cinnamon.
Cinnamon powder.
Cinnamon powder. And this is vanilla. And we're not making vanilla ice cream, but this is a really good ingredient to add.
So it's a really good extract to add to the ice cream. To add an extra.
So any flavor you do, you can add that as well. Alright. Okay. This is condensed milk.
By Miss Betty. Big up Miss Betty anyway she there.
Miss Betty condensed milk. You know. So yeah, that is condensed milk, and that is another really key ingredient in the ice cream making. Alright. This is full cream milk, and this is not, you don't have to add full cream milk if you want. Alright? And I will explain later.
Oh, but so this is optional then? This is
optional. But I add it to add a little bit more body to the ice cream. Alright? This is raisin, and this is soaked in rum.
Some rum.
From overnight.
This is also optional, right?
Optional. But you never put them on side still, it's too bad. But anyway, and guys.
I just wanted to let the people know that these are the main ingredients. So you can't make a jackfruit ice cream or your ice cream overall without having these main ingredients.
All right.
And these are the little extras on the side to make it nice and thick.
On the side. All right. So this now is whipping cream. All right. And this will form the base of the ice cream today. And this is one of the main ingredients, if not the main ingredient. It has no taste or anything, but when we add all of the ingredients today, it will stand out. It will have all of the taste and all of the flavor we want. All right.
Okay.
So what else I want to know again?
I don't know more know how to start.
All right. So I'm gonna tell you what to do now. So
I'm excited to see how you make ice cream.
So we're gonna start now. All right. And the people them want to see as well. Guys, Olivia is in the back as well. You know. Hi, she said hi. So yeah, man, we have a guest in the house. So if I say I look over the side, and she had this truck. Don't distract we. Alright. So guys, we're gonna kick off the thing and
so you are gonna mix or you gonna make me mix?
Me will do the mixing, man. But you can do the pass and everything like that.
I'm the passer.
When you catch the trade now then, you know?
Me and take the time get promoted. Little.
Yes.
So now I'm gonna pass the ingredients.
So guys, so that I gotta see a little bit more, you know.
You see?
You're not ready for that yet. Alright? So guys.
So make me pass the milk now.
So guys.
You take on my job from
this is the bowl that way I gotta add all of the ingredients and combine them, you know. Alright? And you see it big and thing, but we're not full of everything. We just need a big bowl. We just need a big bowl. So we're gonna mix. We're not splash all over the place and everything like that. Alright?
Okay, got it.
And this is about half a liter. So, you know, you can work with that. So, you see, this is...
Oh, it's very thick.
Thick and
very thick
rich.
And creamy.
So, that is why it's called whipping cream. Alright?
So I pass and I cut
So, you can see this thickness of it. Alright, next thing we want you pass now is the full cream. Alright, thank you. So the full cream, guys, add an next layer of flavor
creaminess
to your ice cream. You know full cream has this kind of distinct taste. So we're not gonna add all of this still, because the reason why we don't want to add all of this full cream is you don't want your ice cream get too like tough and icy and stuff like that. You want it have the creaminess.
Nice, soft, smooth kind of texture.
You know the thing, man. Alright, so we're gonna add roughly that amount.
So how much is this amount?
We're gonna judge it based on how the base look.
So this is about half cup or quarter cup?
Me don't know. People, me don't know. We're just judging, alright? Cool. So guys, we come to the whipping stage now. And you see how she make trouble in the kitchen. That's why we not bring her around more while, we just leave her in the back. So you see the problem where she caused and the kitchen. Alright? So serious thing.
Guys, we're having fun.
Yeah, man. And that's how it should be. That's the whole concept of RUSHIE'S Kitchen from the beginning. Fun, and while we are cooking food or making things we make.
Yes.
Right? Alright, so we use speed 5 with the mixer, and we're gonna mix this until it forms stiff peak. And when we say stiff peak, I'm gonna show you in just a sec. Alright? So the more you whisk this, is the thicker it will get.
So it's important to use a whisk, guys, so that you're able to get the correct consistency of the ice cream. And not necessarily a spoon.
And this is not
a spoon. I'm assuming that it will take a much longer time and you won't get the right consistency that you want.
Alright, so you're going like not about ice cream.
Kinda have like a sense.
Kinda. Well, I take the teaching well.
I have a little sense.
So I don't know if you can see, but it's getting a little bit more thicker now. So this may take a little while, but it's important to keep consistently mixing. All right. By the way, this is not the only method by which we make ice cream at home.
So approximately how long would you mix for, you say?
So the reason why it's taking this long, by the way, is because we have the full cream. If we didn't add the full cream, then I could stop right now. All right, okay. But because we add the full cream,
takes a little
longer to get thick. Because everybody knows I'm a king of homemade ice cream already.
Who know that?
Say that proudly. Right, Olivia? All right. True word. She said true word.
So guys, if you're interested in making your own ice cream at home, just follow the recipe to a T. And of course, you can use different fruits, different ingredients to make the ice cream. Just follow the recipe to the T.
And importantly, you point that out because I have so much fruit ice cream, so much different flavors to come on the channel with.
Right.
But
so
we just start.
This is coming up, guys. Can you just put in the comment section which flavor ice cream you'd want Rushie to make in the kitchen?
I can put in an order as well. I will be leaving the price for the different ice cream in the description.
So
all right.
Charge people for ice cream.
Link is in the description. It depends on the flavor.
Right, because different flavors require specific ingredients.
Yeah, man. Exactly so. So guys, this is basically what I'm talking about.
So if you look in the bowl, you can see that it's thicker. It has a thicker consistency. You don't mind if I use this?
No, can go ahead.
And just show the people them how it look creamy.
But yeah, hide it. You can't hide it behind it. You have to show them in front.
See, that's why I need him.
Yes.
So,
all right.
You can see that consistency, the texture of it.
But it's not finished as it. All right.
Creamy.
We just have a little way to go until we're finished with it. All right. So we're just gonna whip this for maybe about 2 more minutes or so, or maybe less, and then we can add the remaining ingredients. All right. So guys, if you realize, I can see that, you know, it's thick, and I think we can work with this
texture.
Yeah, man, we can work with this texture right now.
Alright.
So as I said, this has no flavor whatsoever right now.
It just tastes like milk.
It's just milk, just fresh. Alright? So just want to mix this and get everything pretty much even. So guys, this is what it looks like after all that
mixing.
All right, so ingredients time now, and this is where we take it to the next level. All right, so what we're gonna add first now is I am going to be adding, this is quarter cup, sorry, not quarter cup, what am I saying?
You see, that's why I mean for pass the ingredients.
Yeah, man. So this is quarter teaspoon, right? Yeah, man. So this is quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And we don't want no more of that, so they can put that over that side. Alright. And this is the salt. We're using a small amount of salt as well, as we're not cooking right now. All right?
So just a pinch of salt.
Just a pinch of salt. This is the vanilla extract, and I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
All right. And the flavor from the vanilla is
very strong, guys.
very strong and very, very nice.
Very strong.
So this right now, if you notice, we don't have no sugar because the condensed milk is really sweet. So we don't need the additional sweetness of the sugar. So this alone will do for the sweetness. All right. So we'll add about roughly, well, what you can do is just add basically all of it. Because
so that was a cup of condensed milk.
1 cup.
I got you guys, okay? I'll tell you guys the measurements.
Yeah, man. And this is the puree, guys.
Jackfruit.
The jackfruit. And the thing with this puree, with the jackfruit puree, is that you do not want to use too much. All right? Don't want to use too much because jackfruit is really, really strong.
It's very potent.
Yeah, so you don't want it to kind of be overpowered or anything like that. So you can just use and taste as you go along.
So was anything added to the jackfruit?
No, that is just jackfruit with a little bit of water, and we blend it out really, really fine. So that is just pure jackfruit. Don't add a lot of water, guys, just a small amount of water. All right? So, you can pass them as well. I forgot.
Take away my job.
Yeah, take away our job,
One
guys.
job we may have.
All right. So, guys, we add some amount of raisins, and this, as I said before, we add soaking in some white rum. All right. So you can put that over there. So what we can do at this stage is, you know, as a matter of fact, you want to help me out?
Sure.
Yeah, man. So
you want me to mix?
yeah, man. So we'll just give that a mix and then we'll whisk it after that again. So you smell all the flavors coming out now. One. Yeah. Alright, so that is pretty much it. What we'll do at this stage is we'll just yeah, man, you're done, man. Alright. Alright. So we just have this here.
Put this to the side.
And we'll just mix again for a couple more minutes. So this will ensure that all the ingredients are properly mixed. Properly mixed.
So the first round of mixing was for about, what, 5 minutes?
Or more.
The second round of mixing should be, what, shorter or
shorter?
About the same time?
That would be the second round of mixing when you add all the ingredients. Will definitely be shorter. So guys, she's proud to say that she's a taste tester. So we'll just have you taste it now and you tell me what can be added and what can take out, even though we can't take out but nothing again.
No sir, this nicey. You want some rum?
Just some rum now.
Some rum.
Yes! In addition to all these ingredients, guys,
it's nicey.
you can also add rum to your ice cream as well. That is our next great addition. But we never add any to this ice cream because we add the raisin soaking from overnight in the
it's nice,
the
bad.
All right. So this is pretty much it. We don't want it any sweet or anything like that.
Oh, we're finished now?
We're finished now, man. So the next stage now, guys, of the whole process, and you see how simple and easy this
Very.
is. Alright? The next stage now
What ice cream?
is the stage where we'll add it.
In your container.
Yes, we'll add it to a airtight container. And this will freeze for about 7 to 8 hours properly. And then it will have a nice tasting frozen dessert in your fridge. Alright. So this is how we
This is how we do it.
do it.
Oh, that smells so good.
Yes. And you can see we make the right amount too. Measurement on point.
So let me ask you a question. When it is frozen, will it expand? Like, will it rise? So, or the amount that I put in the container is the amount that I'll see?
Man, you greedy, man. The same amount you put in is the same amount you will get out.
But sure no, sir. Everybody asks the same question.
Olivia, she want rise it like it's a rice. This is not a rice. So the same amount you put in, it's the same amount we get out. Alright? So guys, this is it pretty much. Alright? And you see it's nice and creamy. And the color, you have a nice, cream color right here. So, and the jackfruit, the taste of the jackfruit is pretty much pronounced. Jackfruit has a loud taste. You understand?
So about how much jackfruit was this that you made before?
So that is roughly what a jackfruit that don't remember the
half pound, 1 pound.
Well, actually I'm buy 1 pound, 2 pounds at the market. 2 pounds. Like I can get jackfruit anywhere pretty much.
So this in the bowl, how much?
About 1 pound.
1 pound.
1 pound.
1 pound.
With a little bit of water.
I'll use half it. With
All
a little
right.
bit of water.
Cool. Alright guys, so this will just cover this and put this in the freezer to freeze for approximately 7 to 8 hours. Alright? So this is pretty much it. And you see how simple and easy it is. It don't take no time at all.
So for the purpose of this channel, we went ahead and we made, well not we, Rushie.
Yes.
He made a batch before, so we're gonna pull that out of the freezer and let you guys know how it tastes.
Yeah, man. Alright guys, so we went ahead of time, as we said before, and prepare one. So we have it prepared and nice and lovely. So we come to the favorite session.
My favorite part of the video.
Let me finish. For yours truly. Alright. So this is pretty much
how it looks.
How it looks. Full of cream. And this is how we're gonna test to see if it passed the grade now. So 1, 2, 3. Give a taste for me.
Okay. Let's dive in.
Fans, shall wait too long? Nice, though. Nice, man.
Bag.
Nice. Nice, people. Nice. Can't afford for none fall out.
It have a nice like a hint of vanilla ice cream.
Because of the vanilla.
Oh.
Obviously, no.
And then, and right as it goes down,
the jackfruit
there's that
taste.
jackfruit taste.
Just lick you.
Lick you.
Right out.
It nice.
Yeah, man.
It
But
bad.
people, trust me, the recipe here is one of my favorite.
No, like me
So far.
seriously impressed, guys.
So far.
I'm seriously impressed.
Trust me.
I honestly thought that it would have been more yellow
Because of the jackfruit.
because of the color of the jackfruit.
But it has a nice
the flavor,
cream color though.
the flavor is what matters. This is jackfruit ice cream, guys.
Color, no. The the color no matter in this instant. It's a flavor, guys, and trust me, the jackfruit is a standout, really a standout kind of fruit. And see she over there, so she can't. You know, so you can't wait until the video end. You just, you know.
We stop by ice cream.
Boy, homemade ice cream.
Homemade ice cream.
I run some people out of business.
Never knows goodbye.
So anyway, guys.
Goodbye, never knows.
Anyway, glad you
It's nice.
glad you enjoy the ice cream and thing. And you know, guys, we look forward to tasting some of my subscribers' ice cream when them try it. So, you know, don't be afraid to try out a new recipe, you know, in our kitchen. And that is my mantra, as me always tell you know, on the channel. You know, do it in our kitchen, do it. I understand.
We've actually heard feedback from persons who have tried some of the recipes before, and they've actually told us that it turned out exactly how they would have expected it to turn out by just following the recipe to a T.
Proud of myself.
Proud of yourself?
Proud of Rushie's
What?
Kitchen. Pinch your shoulder, pinch your shoulder. So alright guys. So anyway guys, that's it from us here at Rushie's Kitchen. And oh, do remember, like the video them no man.
Don't like it now?
Subscribe no
Would
man.
never enjoy the video?
Share no man.
Guys,
that's how not gonna get more content
we
man.
need the support from you guys. We've been getting it so far. Share it with your friends.
But we then do with a lot more.
Extra support.
Yeah man. Alright, and follow us on our socials, as I would say. Instagram and TikTok. Remember that. Alright. So Trudy and Rushie checking out from Rushie's Kitchen, and we say we're going.
We're gone.
Hold on, no, man. Wait now.
Signature.
We're gone.
So say like I said, it's nice. It's bad. You understand? In signature. Hold on. Nice.
Hold on. Guys, hold on. We'll come back in. Hold on, the people will come back again. Whenever I go to my signature style, hold on. Hold on. Run it. Nice! Double people.
Yeah, man.
Nice!
Remember to comment down below and let us know what flavor ice cream you'd want us to prepare for this Christmas season.
Yep. Or maybe after the Christmas season, because we have some other ingredients, you know.
We have a lot more in store.
Yeah, not ingredients, some other meals that we want to, you know, get out there. Yeah, so next year, people, 2023, we're going.
We're gone. Bye, guys.